Hey there, Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group, and today I'm going to give you a private property tour of 315 11th Street here in the heart of Vilano Beach. And sitting here in the lifeguard chair because I'm here to rescue you with this inventory crisis and get you guys into our newest listing. I want to get you through first. Now listen, before I show you the house, all the fun features, Atlantic Ocean, private county beach access right down the street, so you're walking distance to the beach. Behind me, on the other end of this street, you've got the Intracoastal, public boat ramp, Aunt Kate's. It's great for happy hour, watching the kids hang out, lunches, dinner, all that fun stuff. We've got tons of parking at this house, okay? This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, just shy of 1,700 square feet. Nice, lush, tropical landscape. You're kind of tucked back in this house from the street. It's kind of very low key. You could utilize this as sitting area as they do, or you could utilize it for more parking. So I'm gonna show you this whole house, and then we're gonna finish in the backyard. You're gonna love this backyard. It's easy maintenance, easy living. Come on inside, let's check it out. So we're in 315 11th Street. Quick note before I give you a tour of it all impact glass, the doors, the windows, in flood zone X from my understanding, so you've got a nice high elevation. You walk in, you're greeted with fireplace, TV, living room setup. Quick note, right behind the TV, which might be hard to see in this video, you've got even more storage and space. Hot water heaters tucked behind the stairs. I'll stand back here for reference. Nice space. Right behind these doors, they utilize it as storage, but quite frankly, I would turn that into an amazing home office, maybe even virtual schooling for the kids. Stairs here, you've got access to the kitchen, but I'm gonna actually go back around so you can see the dining room, kitchen, get the full effect. Closet space in here. Nice dining room, tile floor throughout. Coming into the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, nice little window by the sink, granite countertops, tons of cabinet space. Through those doors, you've got laundry room, takes you to the outside. I cannot wait to show you guys the outside. You also have a half bathroom through there. So now we're gonna go upstairs. This home has been really well taken care of, very easy to maintain. We're coming up to the second floor. 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms up here. We're gonna start in the master first. I'll stand all the way back here for reference. It's actually a pretty nice size, okay? Closet, closet. Through these doors, full bathroom. You don't need to come all the way in, it'll be a little tight for us. Okay, so we're leaving the master. I'm gonna go right across the hall. 2 more bedrooms. I'll step inside for reference to get a feel for it. Nice light exposure. Bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. Then we're gonna go into the second bathroom. Nice tile work, high sinks, very functional floor plan. We're now gonna go back downstairs, check out the outdoor space and setup, because obviously when you're living by the beach, it's all about your outdoor space. Now we're at my favorite part of the house. We're in the backyard. So I came from the kitchen to the laundry room. I'm stepping out back here. Now, me personally, I'm gonna be spending a lot of time back here. I'm gonna be coming from the beach. You come back from the beach, surfing, hanging out. You come back through this gate. It's fully fenced back here. AstroTurf, so you don't even need to mow anything. Stand back here for reference, give you a feel and a flavor for it. Come across the patio. You got the grill set up, backyard barbecues, cocktail hour, coffees. You've got a nice storage shed here for the surfboards and the bikes. Come back here. Just kind of stand back here for reference. This backyard is insane. It's perfectly utilized, every square foot of it. Come off the beach, through the gate, come across the deck. outdoor shower, alfresco dining. You guys, this home truly has everything you've been looking for in your Vilano Beach home. The address is 315 11th Street, just shy of 1,700 square feet, all impact glass, concrete block first floor, frame on the second floor with hardy plank siding, steps to the beach, steps to the Intracoastal. Have your cake and eat it too. Give me a call, 904-599-5633. I look forward to showing you this home real soon. Thanks.